Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a React.js PDF editor directly in browser. So this is a full directory structure of this React project, and it's actually using these libraries PDF-LIB and PDF-JS-Dist. These are two very popular libraries in JavaScript to manipulate the PDF files directly in browser. It's using the React.js latest version, and we are running this project locally. So this is a full directory structure. It's fully customizable. If you need the source code, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. So I have also deployed this application. You can check this at this URL freemediatools.com/PDF editor. So check the full description. I've given the demo link. So before purchasing it, you can actually try out this application. So first of all, what you will see, you basically select a PDF file that you want to edit. So once you select the PDF file, the pages will render right here. So both the pages in this, you can all actually read the PDF file. We have all the basic controls for actually zooming in, zooming out. And then it also have the controls if you want to annotate something. So here you can provide the stroke width. After that, you can change the color here accordingly, what color you want. And then you can highlight anything. You can just see how easy it is to annotate any section. You can, after making the changes, you click the save button, and now you move to the next page. And if you want a different color, you actually select the color, and now just do the stuff once again. And after you make the change, every time you need to click the save button, and then we have the download button. So now to actually download the output file, this is a really basic. You can just see all the changes are saved, and we also have capability to add. You can also hit this as well. We also have ability to add text as well. So you basically can have the ability, just provide the text, font size, everything, and the text will be added. Here you can change the size, and after that, using the mouse, you can control the position wherever you need to add this. Again, click save, and we also have capability to add images. So click this, and once you click this, you simply embed the image, whatever image you want to embed. So here you can control the size of this image and just place it. Click on save once again, and now click download. So everything will be saved here. You will see the text, images, annotation, everything is created automatically. So if you're interested, guys, you can check out the demo first of all. The link is given in the description, and we are now running this project locally as well, localhost 3000, because we started this project, as you can just see, on localhost. Once you purchase it, you simply npm run dev. This will start the project at localhost 3000. And then if you want to deploy this as well, you can easily deploy this application to your custom domain name. So it's a single page application. All the processing is directly happening in the browser. So for building this, if you don't know, these are the libraries that we used. PDF-LIB, which is a JavaScript library for manipulating your PDF files. It's an open source library. And then we are also using Mozilla PDF-JS-Dist. This is again a PDF manipulation library package, 4 million weekly downloads. So we are using these two packages, as you can just see here, for building this application and in React.js. So if you're interested, guys, the link is given. You can directly purchase it.